How's it going, everyone? It's Reversal Trader King, where I catch you guys bottoms and tops in the stock market. And I have an exciting ticker I want to talk about. It's STSS. It's up 130% as I'm speaking. So I know a lot of people are, hyped about it. It's made a move from 17 cents at a low all the way to 82 cents. I'm going to show you guys what the system looks like, how you should properly trade this and not have FOMO. Because I know you see a stock going up big, and you just want to get right into it, right? So if what you're going to see is it's called the band strategy. Yeah, the upper band is your red band, and that is considered a sell zone. When price gets near this or above it, it is very dangerous, and price tends to go down. Does it have to go down? No, because it could just magnet up to it, have a little strength, but it will go down, and we're going to discuss the areas it goes down to. The bottom band is where you have a buy zone. As you can see, when price gets close to it, oftentimes price jumps up, and that is where you're going to get these big bullish moves. So yeah, do keep that in mind. And if you guys want to actually, before I get too into the details of this video, I have a whole education on all this of how you can win over 95% of your trades. No joke, as I journal my trades and I show you guys how to have the best risk versus reward. If you want to join it, I do have a premium Discord that I'll put down below for in the YouTube comments for $6 a month. It's very affordable. I think you guys are gonna like it. All right, so we have STSS. It is at the upper band. You can see, since the candle's red, but you can see the upper band is right here, and price went all the way up, and it can't hold this level. Did I expect this? More often or not, this is what's going to happen. Where do we see a pullback for a short-term bounce? If it does happen, it's going to be your EMAs. You always use exponential moving averages for entries on a big upside trade. You never want to get in on this big upside move, and I'll show you some ways you can, but the best thing to do it if you're swing trading it is wait for the move to come down to these exponential moving averages. You have a purple, which is the EMA 5, which is this one, yellow EMA 10, and light blue is EMA 20. These prices are going to fluctuate, so it doesn't really matter what the price is right now, because the next day they're going to fluctuate and move up. So that's why don't get hanged up onto what the price is right now, because if I tell you a price and it goes down and it's different than where it bounces, you're going to be like, oh, you told me at this price. Yes, just don't get hanged up on it. So the EMA 5 is going to hit rather fast. It's already trying to go there. It can't sustain this move. And if you look at the EMA 5, it's at 31 cents. It went to all the way 82 cents. It's a big gap from it. Can the EMA 5 gradually go up with the price? Yes, but we've seen it more often than not that after a couple days price doesn't hit the EMA 5, it usually has a falling knife to the EMA 5, and that is where your reversions to the mean happen. Price has to come back. It can't just stay up in this average true range of over, if I look at this average true range and customize it some more, we're looking at an average true range of 6 to the top. This is very scary. Price can't sustain it, and algos knew where they wanted to take this. So they recorded, had a setting where they wanted to go to the 6 ATR to a T. They couldn't do this any differently, and then bam, it goes down. So I usually use, if you guys want to know about average true ranges, like I said too, I have all this knowledge in my Discord, and I talk about the time distance. Time distance is so important because we know price has to go to the exponential moving averages, and you can make good money. A lot of people like to play the short side on this, and I don't blame them, because right in here is just too far in advance, where this is a very easier short, right? From 80 cents all the way to, it went to like 40 cents. You could have almost made 100% return just to the downside of playing both sides, right? So you want to make sure you look for this strategy. We look for extensions of the move. If price is at the lower band, we are a buyer. If price is at the upper band, we are a seller. That is the bread and butter type of trades. If we were going to try to play the momentum side of things, guys, let's be patient. Let price hit these EMAs. I promise you they will hit it. The EMA 5 will be hit within no longer than a max. 1 week. 1 week is super long. I suspect within 3 days we start. This EMA 5 will probably go up to like the 40-cent region here, and then it'll hit it, and then we'll get a bounce over there. But I don't necessarily like playing the EMA 5. It's a very short-term bounce. Your EMA 10 is what I call your trampoline effect. And I'll show you guys how nice this was for Peggy. Your EMA 10 is where you would have made the massive moves. So let's go back to our regular settings that I like. Right in here, Peggy sold off at your 4 ATRs. It's really hard to sustain it. What happens? Peggy likes to bounce at the EMA 10. This is with a lot of stocks. It goes down here, shoots all the way up, goes back down to the yellow, shoots up, goes back down to the yellow, shoots up, and it tries to hit the EMA 5 and shoots up even higher. Can you predict this type of move? Absolutely not. But you can say, like, is it smart to play at the EMA 10 for the trampoline effect? And that's what I'm trying to get at with this play. Let's wait for that trampoline effect. We know this is going to sell off hard, and then that's where we're going to take it. For the bounce-lean effect, and you have a nice conservative stop loss at the prior lows if you want to, at this candle here, if you really want to have a stop loss. So this is the STSS. This is called the band strategy, how I win over 95% of my trades. There is no perfect system where you're going to get the most exact entry where you put it in the system and you're profitable. It does not exist like that, guys. But I do assure you guys, you can be very profitable doing this strategy. It is a very nice strategy. It's made me a lot of money, and if you do decide to join the premium Discord, I've been in over this. I've been trading for over 10 years. Over 6 years, I've been doing this strategy and developing this. This has been one of the best strategies in the market. A lot of strategies, it comes to be like you're trying to get lucky. We're trying to have a system where if it does this, there's no bias to it. There's no FOMO. If you see price go all the way up here, you just don't really care because 9 times out of the 10 it falls back down. Why risk that, right? So if you want to join the premium Discord of only $6 a month or 20 cents a day, I promise you're going to love it. I'll put the link down below into the YouTube comments. It'll be pinned and it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. When you click that link, it'll take you to the free chat landing page. It'll look like this. To get started, if you want to subscribe, read how to subscribe. Lots of good stuff to read about it. Also avoid scammers. Since we're growing pretty fast and I started developing this system, anybody can do this system. So a lot of people has been, we have over 3,000 members. So a lot of people are going to try to impersonate me and use my name and logo. Do keep in mind, I never DM you first and I never friend request you. So just to keep the scammers away. If you guys want to subscribe, head on over to the premium chat. What this premium chat, when you click on premium chat, it will opt you in to subscribe. It does not mean you're not a subscriber once you join the Discord. You have to hit the subscriptions tab here. And as you can see, everyone in green is a subscriber, and there's a lot of people typing, right? And a lot of people giving out ideas according to the system or what they see, right? If you subscribe, it's only $6 on the computer. If you do it on your phone, it is going to be a little more expensive because it charges $1 or $2 for the iOS fee. But it's such a good deal. I promise you're going to love it. What you're going to get, you might ask, is my RTK swing trades, my exact analysis of the trades I'm in, of why I like it and all that, and my entries and exits and all that. We took CRNC today. I had an average of 340. It went all the way up to like 380. Freaking insane, right? Education videos, we had how to properly calculate my reversals, how to use my indicators to set up your chart like mine, and then the journal is like the main thing. If you want to have transparency, this is what I wanted to do. I've been in a lot of Discords that charge so much money, they give you a watch list, and you end up still losing because there's no transparency. What happens, when a trade is going bad? What happens when a trade is going good? You need to know what to do. I always say, being very transparent is the main thing, even if you're a loser or a winner. So if you want to look at my trades, you go to my RTK journal, you'll see my active trades with my averages, with my wins and losses. I think you guys are going to like it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is STSS. I told you my plan. We are having to sell off as we speak because it can't sustain these ATR levels, which is your average to range. It goes up and it's going to come straight down. Where do we look for the entries? We want to look for that trampoline effect. That's what I want to do. If anyone's watching and in my Discord or YouTube subscribers, don't get caught into the FOMO. Sure, it might go up some more. I might be totally wrong. But 9 times out of the 10, it goes straight down. And I have so many stocks to show you if you backtest of why this is dangerous. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you liked the video, give it a like, subscribe, comment. It means a lot for my channel. And I notice it, and I read the comments, and it helps the algorithm share it to other people. Hope to see you guys in the premium Discord for only $6 a month. Peace out, guys.